The email settings area found in your company setting on the main menu and within an event allows you to customize the invoicing emails sent to your client. This is where you will set up the emails for sending proposals and invoices through details. In the General tab, you will see the default information for your business. This information is taken directly from your company info page. If you want anything different in your emails from what is in your company's information, you can adjust that here. You can also adjust your email from and email reply to information per email. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option you have for your emails, which currently is the proposal ready email. This email gets sent through the system when you send the proposal to your client. Once connected with Details Invoicing through Stripe, you'll be able to receive an invoice ready email when your invoice is ready, and the thank you email automatically will be sent to your client when they've made a payment through Details Invoicing. You can customize each email's subject line, heading, and body. In the body, you can also utilize the personalization tokens we discussed on the contract terms page. At the top, you can adjust the send information for the emails. If you have a subdomain added to your account, you'll also be able to customize the beginning portion of the email, which will list your desired or selected subdomain at the end. If you're interested in adding a subdomain to your account or learning more about it, you can click on the eye icon on this page. This will lead you to a form that you can fill out to select your desired subdomain and get started today.